Hello again, YouTube. I'm going to be in for a real treat this time. This is going to be a comparison video between my new Laskowood P200I and my vintage Lakewood P223I with the thermostat. Before we get to the individual comparison, I'm going to introduce you to someone who's going to help me when we compare both fans side by side. This is my grandfather, Bruce. Say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
He's going to be my assistant director in this when we do the dual side-by-side comparison of these two bad boys. Which one is more quiet on all three speeds and has the better airflow. But I think I know which one. It's going to be the better quality built Lakewood. And it's also be a comparison to see which one is the most quietest on the low setting. So here's a demonstration of the new one. On the low setting. As you can hear, it's very quiet. Well, this one's running low speed. I'll give you a full 360 degree view. Here's the one side of it, compared to the bigger Lakewood. Promise you guys I get a video of both of these bad boys running. And here is the other side. And somewhat of the back at an angle. Now in low speed it is pushing the bigger ones banana blades already. So it's quite powerful. So this one, for the individual part of the competition, this one seems to be moving more air than the Lakewood. As you can see, the Laskowood has a whole lot of vibration, even though it has its feet already on it. I am going to note, however, the Lakewood is missing a few screws on the rear wheel, so it will rattle on the high speed, so you'll hear that vibrate. But it's just a minor cosmetic problem. Now to demonstrate just how powerful this. Here's a better view of the backside if you want. Two backside views. There's a little bonus. And back to the front. Now, we're going to go up to medium. I'll get a bit more airflow. But before I crank this thing up on high, I'm going to bring the liquid fan in front of it. If you'll bear with me, this will be a demonstration with the liquid in front of bigger brother. Laskowood. This is I'm doing the individual comparison against the Lakewood with the Laskowood. Right now, since it's on high speed, I have behind the Laskowood. I have the Laskowood behind my Lakewood. Now this fan is quite powerful. This fan is quite powerful, as you can see. It's already pushing the blades of my Laskowood already, without the Laskowood being turned, without the Lakewood being turned on. Even though I had to shell out $20 for this fan, it's pretty much still a cheap fan. Next up is the Lakewood in the individual competition. Ah. No, I'm done with the first part of it. Oh, we may have a difference in the noise level on the low speeds here. Listen to this. My Lakewood seems to be giving the Laskowood a little bit one for its money.
Oh, yeah.
Very quiet. This is a very powerful low speed too. Oh yeah, more air is coming out of this thing. And now medium. Oh yeah, this is more powerful. This is a more powerful medium. More of a moderate setting. Wow. Holy cow, that is a lot of air movement on this thing. Whole lot of air movement on this bad boy. Holy cow. Here we go. Guess I'm gonna have to jump on the couch for this one. I can really feel that wind from here. Holy cow, is this thing ever powerful.